Here we go, day 2 of these videos here. See how this goes. So I'm looking at Boeing up here, BA. This is a weekly chart right here. It's taken a hit recently on those, I guess what do you call them, recalls, when that door flew off and everything. Kind of came right down about here. Had a pretty weak, this is back to daily, had a pretty weak day yesterday right here. Bounced back a little, showing a little support back here. So it's kind of hovering right here around 200. However, zoom out a little bit to the weekly. I'm seeing some support here around 180 going all the way across, like over here. You know, obviously this was COVID down here, so that is what it is. But I'm seeing more support right here. I can go back and check more volume, but I'm not going to go that deep into it. Obviously down here would be more support, but that's crazy so far. So I'm going to call it maybe like 175, just below that 180 mark on a relatively short-term period here. So they'll go back to my Tasty Trade platform here. Showing right here they have earnings on January 31st. Oops, I'll just try to tap it. But I'm going to go out to the not quite February 16th there because it's only 21 days left. I'm going to go out further. Go to March, 49 days out. Tasty Trade tells you to go around 45 days on the opening position when you're selling, and then close out or manage it or adjust it at 21 days to expiration. So let's say, all right, looking at the put side here, the 175 mark right there. Go about $10 wide. There you go. Take up a 66-cent credit there. What's the delta? 10 delta, so showing about a 90% probability of profit there. And let's check it out. Review and send. So it's going to use up $936 in buying power and get a credit of 63 bucks. And ideally, this implied volatility is going to crush after the earnings, which what's today? January 26th. January 3rd. So yeah, 5-6 days. That'll crush down. We would likely be able to close at a reduced volatility rate. Hopefully just that alone would help crush it and we could get out. But if the stock stays the same or goes up even after earnings, we could definitely close out on a pretty good profit on this. So looking pretty good. And if it goes down, I mean, hold it for a little bit. It's Boeing. You know, hold it for a bit and just kind of play it a little bit to the upside there. I'm not going to sell anything on the call side because it is, I think, ripe to just kind of shoot back. If they say something in their earnings call, that just shoots it right back up. But right now they're just going through some bad headlines and we'll just play it like this. So we'll put this in right here. See how that goes. Will it fill? Not quite. So I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so it's moving. It's moving up a little. So move it down to 64, take a $64 credit, cancel that, refill. Will it fill? Will it fill? Come on, let me turn my sound on, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna put it in 63. There we go, let's see how that works here. There we go, gotta fill. All right, see how this goes. I'll keep you posted on the progress of the Boeing position.